If Photoshop is showing the error reading machine specific preferences, don't worry, this usually means the preference files are corrupted and it can happen after an update, a bad plugin, or low storage space. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it, plus an extra solution if the first method doesn't work. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Photoshop fixes. Let's get into it. The first and most effective fix is to reset Photoshop preferences. To do this on Windows, make sure Photoshop is completely closed first. Then click the Photoshop icon to launch it and immediately hold down Ctrl, Alt, and Shift at the same time. On Mac, do the same thing by launching Photoshop and holding Command, Option, and Shift right after clicking the app icon. The timing matters, so don't hold the keys too early. Keep holding them until Photoshop asks if you want to delete the settings file. When that prompt appears, click Yes. This removes the corrupted preference file and lets Photoshop rebuild fresh settings the next time it opens. In many cases, that alone fixes the error reading machine specific preferences issue right away. If Photoshop still won't open properly, try running it as an administrator on Windows. Right-click the Photoshop icon and choose Run as Administrator. This can help if the problem is being caused by permission issues, especially after an update or system change. Also, if you recently installed third-party plugins, consider disabling them temporarily because unstable plugins can trigger startup errors like this. And if your drive is almost full, clear some storage space, since Photoshop needs room to load preference data correctly. Once you've done the reset, reopen Photoshop and check if it starts normally. You may need to sign in again or reapply a few custom settings, but that's a small trade-off for getting the app working again. So to recap, the main fix is to launch Photoshop and hold Ctrl, Alt and Shift on Windows or Command, Option and Shift on Mac. Then click Yes to delete the settings file. If needed, also try running Photoshop as administrator on Windows. I hope this video helped you fix the Photoshop error reading machine specific preferences. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.